D. Did you know that the Monstera deliciosa plant is full of surprises? Get ready to be amazed by these fascinating facts about this popular houseplant. From its unique leaf holes to its delicious fruit, the Monstera is more than just a pretty face. Let's dive into the world of this tropical wonder and uncover its secrets. Oh, ever wondered why Monstera leaves have those iconic holes? It's not just for show. These fenestrations, or leaf holes and splits, serve a crucial purpose in the plant's natural habitat. In dense rainforests, Monstera plants use these clever adaptations to capture more sunlight, ensuring they get the energy they need to thrive. But that's not all. These holes also help the plant withstand heavy winds and rainfall without tearing. Talk about smart design. Now, here's a juicy tidbit that might surprise you. The Monstera deliciosa actually produces an edible fruit. That's right, the deliciosa in its scientific name isn't just for show. This exotic fruit looks like a green corn cob covered in hexagonal scales, and its taste is truly something special. Imagine biting into a fruit that combines the flavors of banana, pineapple, and mango. That's what you can expect from a ripe Monstera fruit. But here's a word of caution. Make sure it's fully ripe before taking a bite, as unripe fruits can be toxic. Nature's way of saying, patience is a virtue. In its natural habitat, the Monstera deliciosa is quite the adventurer. These plants are natural climbers, using their strong aerial roots to scale up tree trunks in Central and South American rainforests. It's like watching a botanical version of a rock climber in action, too. This climbing habit is why Monstera plants kept as houseplants often need a moss pole or some kind of support to grow properly. So if you've got a Monstera at home, giving it something to climb on is just a decorative choice. It's mimicking its natural behavior. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Monstera deliciosa is how its leaves transform as the plant ages. When young, Monstera leaves start out small and heart-shaped, with no holes in sight. But as the plant matures and receives enough light, something magical happens. Those famous splits and holes gradually begin to appear, creating the iconic look we all know and love. It's like watching the plant grow up and develop its own unique personality. Bethu Monstera is on just a pretty face. It's also a hard worker when it comes to improving our indoor environment. This green giant is known for its air-purifying abilities, filtering out toxins and helping to keep the air in our homes clean and fresh. But that's not all. Studies suggest that having a Monstera in your space can do wonders for your well-being. It's been shown to help reduce stress, boost creativity, and create a calming atmosphere. Who knew that adding a little greenery to your home could have such powerful effects? The Monstera deliciosa truly is a plant of many talents. From its clever leaf adaptations to its surprising fruit and climbing abilities, it's a testament to the wonders of nature. As you watch your Monstera grow and change, remember that you're nurturing a piece of tropical magic right in your own home. Whether you're admiring its beautiful leaves, supporting its climbing habit, or benefiting from its air-purifying properties, the Monstera deliciosa is sure to bring a touch of wonder to your space. So, next time you look at your Monstera, take a moment to appreciate all the incredible features of this remarkable plant. It's not just a trendy houseplant, it is a living example of nature's ingenuity and beauty. Who knows, you might even be inspired to try growing your own Monstera fruit someday. Just remember to be patient and wait for it to ripen fully before taking that first delicious bite.